Alright, so coat 1's done. I got it drying in the back bathroom. Gonna let it dry full 24 hours. Sand it down a little bit where anything's screwy, and then recoat and see where it's at and keep going. Gonna do about 4 coats and 2 clear coats. So I've been running this for about 15 minutes. It's starting to get a nice nickel plate finish on it. It's got a few bare spots yet, you can see. So we're going to put this back in and get it fully plated, and then can stick it back on the engine over there. But yeah, about 15 minutes. That's what came out so far. I'm going to stick it in probably another 15 just to coat it super well. Get about 5 microns, something like that on it. Should be good enough. Alright, so this is done. It's not too bad. I'm not going to polish it or anything. It looks pretty good right out of the tank. So I'm going to put this in the intake for the diode. Alright, so started putting it back together. It's not going together too bad. But anyways, hey, this looks pretty sharp. Check that out. That looks pretty good. I really like how that came out. Anyways, we're getting there. It's getting back together. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the gas tank yet. I am going to replace it. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the old one even on yet, since it's dented, but I might just to get it running. I don't know. Alright, so I got this all back together. Got a few little odds and ends to take care of, like that yellow part. I ran out of black for nylon. So, anyways, hey, this came out sharp. I really like that. But here, we're going to take this for a test ride. Yeah, I ain't got much C85, so see how far we can go.
that's different.